Good morning, dear students. My name is Shashank Verma, and today I am going to discuss chapter 3, that is playing with number. So, student, today in this video we will start first key in this chapter what is given and what we have to study. Okay, student. So, our first topic is factors and multiples. Our first topic is factors and multiples. Factor and multiples. So this is our first topic, student. So we will discuss about the factors and multiples one by one. Clear, student? This is our first topic, factors and multiples. So student, first we will discuss about what is factors and what is multiples. How we will use. Okay. So this I will explain with the help of one example. Here I am taking example. See carefully. Here I am taking 15. Now you know that 15 you can write down 3 multiplied by 5. Okay? You can write down 15 as 3 multiplied by 5. So 3 multiplied by 5 it means 15. Everyone know. This is very simple phenomena. When you multiply 3 by 5 it will come 15. Now student, in this example I will recognize you which one is factor and which one is multiple. So students, see, 15 will come in the table of both 3 and 5. Clear, student? 15 will come in the table of both 3 and 5. Here 3 and 5. It will also come in the table of 1. It will also come in the table of 15. Clear, everyone? There's a 15 also you can write down what? 15 you can write down 1 multiplied by 15. Can you not write down? Tell me, you can write down now? 15 also you can write down 1 multiplied by 15. So also this is the same process. Here also 15 will come in the table of 1 and 15, student. So what is the conclusion of this? Why I am explaining this? Ki 3 and 5 divide 15 totally. Okay, 3 and 5 divide 15 totally, and 1 and 15 also divide 15 totally. Okay, it means the number which divides the number which is given totally is known as their what? This is known as our factors. This is factors. Okay, and this is what, student? 15. 15 is what? 15 is what? 15 is multiple. 15 is what? Multiple. Clear, student? I think something is clear. 3 and 5 is the factor. Why? Because 3 and 5 divide 15 properly. Clear, students? And 15 is multiple. 15 is multiple because 15 will come in the table of both 3 and 5. Similarly, you can also take example like 16, 18 is given. 18 is given. So here I can write down 6 multiplied by 3. Or 18 I can write down 2 multiplied by 9. Okay, everyone. So 6 and 3 here, and 2 and 9 what? 2 and 9 divide 18 permanently. So this is what, student? This is our factors. And 18 will come in the table of 2 and 9. So this is known as multiple. Clear, student? Multiple matlab when we multiply the number. Okay, it may be just like 18 you can write down 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. Also you can write down. So 2 and 3 what? They are factors, and 18 is totally divisible by 2 and 3. So these are what? These are what? Multiple. Clear, student? So 2 and 3 this is factor, and 18 this is multiple. Clear, student? So I think the concept of multiple and factors are clear. Factor matlab the number which divide the number perfectly, and multiple matlab which come in the table. Matlab in the book so many in the book lots of definition are given, but this is the easiest way to understand what is the difference between factors and multiples. I think you are able to understand. Now come on the next thing, student. Next thing is that a common factor. Next thing is that, student, common factor. Next term is common factor. What is common factor? We will discuss. Common matlab everyone know which is common everywhere. Clear? Just your uniform is common in your school. Why? Because everyone is using the same uniform, same type of uniform. Clear, student? So common factor, like here I am writing 18. 18, you know that what is the factors of 18? 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. This is the common factor of 18. Factors of 18, student. Yani these number can divide 18 perfectly. another number I am taking 2. You can take anything. I am taking one example. 1 2 4 5 10 20. Clear everyone? अब स्टूडेंट what is the common factor? यानी the factor which is coming in both, which comes in both. यानी 1 is coming in both, 2 is also coming, and another thing student nothing. It means the common factor, this is CF means common factor of 18 and 20 is equal to what student? 1 and 2. Clear student? Common factor मतलब which comes in both, which comes both. It may be possible 3 numbers are given, 4 numbers are given, 5 numbers are given, it doesn't matter. Clear student? This is the basic thing. You can also take any other number. So this is about common factor. मतलब the factor which is coming in both number are the number which are given. Clear everyone? अब everyone know odd number, prime number, composite number. I will not explain because I explained in chapter 1. अब here I am going to explain prime triplet. Odd even though this is very easy, everyone know. For here I am going to explain twin prime. What I am going to explain today? Twin prime. Twin prime. Twin prime. Clear student? A prime number to everyone know because this is very simple. Maybe in previous class also we discussed and also in chapter 1 2 I discussed. So prime number to everyone know कि number having only two factors, 1 and number itself. What is means of twin prime student? What is mean of twin prime? तो a prime number, clear? A prime number whose difference is 2. A prime number whose difference is 2. Here, wait a minute, student. A pairs of prime number here. A pairs of prime number. A pairs of prime number whose difference is 2. What is the meaning of the student this? A pairs of prime number whose difference is 2. यानी pair मतलब there should be two number. A pair of prime number whose difference is 2. What is the meaning of this student? Like I can take example 3 and 5. See, they are the prime number and difference between them is 3 and 5. Next example, you can also take what? 5 and 7. Clear student? So these are the pair of twin prime. Prime to मतलब everyone know. Prime number means only two having two factor, one and number itself. Twin prime मतलब student कि the pair of prime numbers having difference of 2. Like 3 and 5 they are prime and also difference of 2. Like twin na? Twin means you know that 2. So this is concept of twin prime. Clear student? Twin prime. Clear? Now the next term is given prime triplet. Next term is given prime triplet. Clear student? So next thing is that prime triplet. What is this? How we will identify? How we will explain the prime triplet? देखिए the consecutive prime number. Prime to everyone know same. Clear? तो prime number, consecutive prime number. Clear everyone? Here triplet of consecutive prime number differ by 2. See, when you will read this one, so you will face little bit trouble with what written sir. As a triplet of consecutive prime number differ by 2. Triplet of consecutive prime number differ by 2. What is the mean of this student? What is the mean of this? Here I am giving example, then you will understand. Clear ना? कि prime triplet मतलब जैसे prime twin मतलब जैसे you here I written example 3 and 5. तो prime twin prime मतलब 3 and 5 difference of 2. There only pair यानी 2 number was there. If it is given कि prime triplet मतलब 3 numbers should be there. यानी you can write down 3, 5, 7. See student, here difference is 2, here difference is 2. यानी prime triplet means the prime number, 3 consecutive prime number having difference of 2. Clear everyone? The 3 prime number having difference of 2 known as prime triplet. Clear everyone? Next prime triplet you will find out yourself. Now next is co-prime. The next term is co-prime. Clear everyone? Co-prime. Co-prime is also very easy. Co-prime. Anyone can tell me co-prime, student? Because I discussed many times co-prime. If what if? Just if two numbers are given. Clear everyone? So if common factor is only 1. Clear student? If common factor is only 1, so we can say that the number are co-prime. Of how we will understand this? For example, here I am taking 2, so here you can write down 2 is 1 and 2. You can write down factors of 2 is 1, 2, 3. So 3 is 1 and 3. What is the common factor, student? Common factor is only 1. Okay, student. So this is co-prime. Co-prime means if common factor is only 1, not anything else. Common factor should be only 1, then we can say number are co-prime. Also you can take example, student. Also you can take example like 3 and 5. 3, 5. So 3 is 1 and 3 and 5 is factor is 1 and 5. Clear student? So here also you can take 1, only 1. Clear? So what is the common factor? Common factor equal to 1. So the number having only one common factor is known as, student, what? Is known as what? Co-prime. Clear student? This is our co-prime. Now next term is perfect number. Next term is perfect number. This is different thing. Perfect number. Clear student? What is the perfect number? See student, here I will explain with the help of example, but definition I am going to take. A perfect number, student, the number, just let us assume any number. The number having some common factor. If the sum of common factor of the number is twice of that number, then we can say the number is a perfect number. Now how we will distinguish? Like example I am taking. Example is given in book like 6. Chaliye, here I am taking example 6. Okay, student. So 6, the factor of 6 is 1, 2, 3, 6. Only this example. Clear? Matlab this is the factor. So what I give the explanation, student, कि the perfect number is the number means if the common factor of that perfect number is twice of the number. Clear? Means this is the number or this is the factors. These are the factors. So if the sum of the factor is twice of that number, then we can say that the number is the perfect number. Now check it. Is sum of factors. Sum of factors you can 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 6. So this will come 2 plus 1 is student 3, 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 6 is student 12. Okay student, so now you can see that 12 is the twice of 6. So you can say yes 6 is a perfect number. Clear everyone? 6 is the perfect number. Why? Because when we are solving the common factor of 6, we find out the common factor of 6 is 1, 2, 3 and 6. And what is the definition, students? Definition is if the sum of all factor of the number is twice of the original number. So C factor is 1, 2, 3, 6. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 6. This is 12 and 12 is the twice of 6. Twice matlab what? 2 times. So 12 is 2 times of 6. So you can say yes 6 is the what? Perfect number. So this is about, student, perfect number. Clear everyone? Now some other perfect number you will find out yourself and you will tell me. So this is about perfect number. Now next thing is given, student, what? Next thing is given what? See. Next thing is given test of divisibility. Clear student? Next thing is given test of divisibility. Test of divisibility. Okay student, this is also very interesting and very easy topic. So first I am going to take what? Test of divisibility of 2. First we will start from 2. Okay student, how we will check the test of divisibility of 2? Clear student? So let's start. Okay, test of divisibility of 2, how we will check? If one's place is 0 or even. If one place is 0 or even, then number is divisible by 2. For example student, for example 2 3 6 0. One's place is 0, it means the number is divisible by 2. Another example 3 6 4 4. Number is divisible by 2 because one place is 4. If one's place is anything else like odd number, like prime number student, so number is not divisible by 2. Why? Because what is the rule? If one place is 0 or even, one's place should be 0, should be even, then number is divisible by 2. Clear everyone? Chaliye, now move to the next student. Move to the next. Test of divisibility of 3. Test of divisibility of 3. So see student, what is the mean of 3? If sum of all digits are divisible by 3. Test of divisibility of 3 student indicates that if the sum of all digits are divisible by 3. Clear student? If the sum of all digits are divisible by 3. For example I am taking student, see carefully, that is given 1 3 3 1. Let us assume this is number given. We have to check this is the divisible by 3 or not. So 1 plus 3 plus 3 plus 1. 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 1 7, 7 plus 1 8. So it is 8. 8 is not divisible by 3. It means the number is not divisible by 3. Another example I am taking 1 3 3 2. I am taking example student. So 1 plus 3 plus 3 plus 2. Clear? So 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 1 9. अब you know that student 9 is divisible by 3. If 9 is divisible by 3, यानी whole number is divisible by 3. Clear everyone? So this is student test of divisibility by 3. I think now you are able to understand how to understand कि number is divisible by 3 or not. Clear everyone? Okay. Now go to the next thing. The test of divisibility of 4. Test of divisibility by 4. Clear student? We test of divisibility by 4. 4 means if last two digit is divisible by, if last two digit is divisible by 4. Clear student? If last two digit is divisible by 4, for example, here I am taking example 472. Clear student? So what is the last two digit student? Last two digit is 72. Now you know that is 72 is divisible by 4. 72 is divisible by 4. So if last two digit is divisible by 4, my student, you will say if the number is divisible by 4. Clear? This is the test of divisibility by 4. Now the next thing is that test of divisibility by 5. Test of divisibility by 5. Clear student? Test of divisibility by 5. This is very easy. कि one's place should be 0 or 5. Clear student? One's place should be 0 or 5. For example student, like 550. Here one's place is 0, we will say if the number is divisible by 5. Another example I can take 555. One's place is 5, so the number is divisible by what? 5. Clear student? So this is the test of divisibility by 5. Okay. Now the next thing is that test of divisibility by 6. Clear student? If the number is divisible by both 2 as well as 3. Clear student? कि what is the test of divisibility by 6 student if the number is divisible by both 2 as well as 3. Clear student कि our number should be divisible by 2 as well as 3. If the number is divisible by 2 not divisible by 3, it means the number is not divisible by 6. If the number is divisible by 3 not divisible by 2, then number is not divisible by 6. The number should be divisible by 2 as well as 6. Clear everyone? Here I am going to take example. Like simple example I am taking 216. So first I will check the test of divisibility by 2. So you know that in one's place is 6. 6 is even. So number is divisible by 2. Number is divisible by 2. Now you know that 2 plus 1 plus 6. Then it will become 9. 9 is also divisible by what student? 3. Okay. So you will write down the number is divisible by 2 as well as 3. So the number is divisible by 6. Clear student? You have to check both. Here I am writing. Here I am not writing so much. But when the examination question will come, you have to give the proper explanation. Ki one's place is even, so the number is divisible by 2, and the sum of all digits is 9. The number is divisible by 3, so the number is divisible by 6. Clear student? So this is the test of divisibility by 6. Clear everyone? Okay. Now come to the next. The next is test of divisibility by 7. Test of divisibility by 7. Clear student? So how to find out test of divisibility by 7? So student, here I am going to discuss the test of divisibility by, जैसे कि I am going to explain the test of divisibility by 7. But here in this book student it is given the test of divisibility by 7. मतलब so much confusion is given. So if test of divisibility of 7 will come now, so you will divide the number, then you will see in very fast manner, because here it is given कि you have to choose the correct blocks. जैसे कि if like 2 6 1 7 8 is given ना, तो it is given कि you have to choose the correct blocks कि how to मतलब from right to left, left to right. So it will take so much time. I am thinking. So if test of divisibility of 7 will come, student, then you will check the number, you will see the number and start dividing, because that will take so many less time as compared to when you will make the block. Clear student? So test of divisibility of 7 you will divide and then you will check. Clear student? Because why we are using the test of divisibility? For reducing our time. Clear student? So the rule which is given, it is not perfect. Clear student? So now I am going to explain test of divisibility of 8 by 8. Test of divisibility by 8. Clear student? What is the test of divisibility by 8? Clear student? So if last 3 digit in this you will write down if last 3 digit is divisible by 8. What is the meaning of this student? कि जैसे in the test of divisibility by 4 we seen कि if the last 2 digit is divisible by 4, but in this student we will see कि if the last 3 digit is divisible by 8. For example, I am taking 7 5 0 5 6. Let us assume this is our example student, and you have to check the number is divisible by 8 or not. Yes. Okay student, so how you will check student? You know that कि last 3 digit will what? Last 3 digit is 56. Of 56, so you know that कि 56 is divisible by 8. So you will write down कि last 3 digit is 056 because there is no means of 0, but you have to take last 3 digit na student. So 0 also you will take. So 056 is divisible by 8. Okay na? So you will say the whole number is divisible by 8. Clear student? So by this way you will find out कि the number is divisible by 8 or not. What we will check student? We will check the last 3 digit. See, if you will divide 8 9 is 72, 3 remains, फिर 8 3 जा 24, like that you will divide it. Clear student? So this is the easiest way कि how you will divide it. So student, this is the test of divisibility by 8. Now student, what is the test of divisibility of 9? What is the test of divisibility by 9? 9. So 9 student same as 3. जैसे in 9 also we will add the sum of the digit if the number is divisible by 9, if the number is divisible by sum of the number is divisible by 9, so the number is divisible by 9. Clear student? So this is the test of divisibility by 9, same as 3. अब here I am going to explain student कि test of divisibility by what? Test of divisibility by 10. Clear? अब 10 means student, can anyone tell what is the test of divisibility by 10? So test of divisibility by 10 student कि the ones place should be 0. Ones place should be 0. Okay student, for example take 500 like 60. Okay student, so ones place is 0, so number is divisible by 10. 565, tell me 565 divisible by 10 or not? So you will say no, because one place is not 0. Clear student? So this is our test of divisibility by 10. This is the test of divisibility by 10. One next is remains the test of divisibility by 11. So nothing is so much is given in this chapter student, only test of divisibility is given. Okay student? So in next video student we will discuss the test of divisibility by 11 and also we will discuss some other question. Clear student? Because the test of divisibility is very different type of test of divisibility. Clear? So in next video we will discuss the test of divisibility by 11 and we will solve the question based on that. Clear student? Thank you.